Hi, I'm Steph Gaudreau from Stupid Easy Paleo, and today we're making my green chili chicken recipe. When I was a kid, my knowledge of sort of Southwestern food was relegated to Ortega tacos, and we never really had a very adventurous foray into ethnic food as I was growing up. When I moved to Southern California, it was like the doors had got blown off anything I ever knew about Southwestern cuisine. And for the first time, I had green chili chicken at a restaurant, and I just could not believe how freaking delicious it was, and I wanted to make it at home. So you season the chicken, and I use a mixture of chicken thighs and chicken breast. I like the shreddiness of the chicken breast, but the chicken thighs really add a lot of flavor. So we season the chicken with some cumin, some ground coriander, some salt and pepper, and we put that in the bottom of the slow cooker. To that, we add the tomatillos, the onion, the green chilies, and the garlic, like all of our awesome flavorings. I add a little bit of broth, and then I go ahead and put the cover on the slow cooker, set it for 5 hours on low, and walk away. And when I come back, it is done and delicious, and all I have to do is shred the meat. It becomes fall apart tender because you've let it cook nice and low and slow throughout the day. This dish has a good helping of lean protein, but it also has a little bit of that flavor from the chicken thighs. If you're somebody who's active, you're lifting, you're doing any kind of sports and you need a little bit more protein, the cool part is you can make this and freeze it. So put it in the freezer, pull it out at any time. You can bank your protein, because that's kind of one of the hard parts, is coming home after a long day and then having to think about slow cooking something. Like, it's not gonna happen. So in our house, we like to make some double batches, freeze that. That way we come home from the gym, we got a nice post-workout meal, or a super easy dinner. You can jazz it up at the end with some lime and cilantro, serve it over rice, cauliflower rice, any kind of veggie noodle that you want, and you've got a really awesome dinner. For more simple slow cooker recipes just like my green chili chicken, head over to stupideasypaleo.com.